I will start in my speech in 3, 2, 1. Regarding our motion today about the House would ban all production and consumption of meat, actually we have to know first what the background of this motion. Actually, nutrition requirement is one of the important things in human life that we have to ensure all nutrition on balancing condition. If the unbalancing happen in our body can get illness, at the end we cannot proactive and decrease our performance. Actually, meat is one of the familiar food for us. That so many processed material that we can convert to. It's like the bakso, maybe this one is like the common for us. It's like the dim sum and several food. We agree the meat is more delicious. Of course, this one I think everyone agree with this one. Okay. Regarding the unbalance, we're talking about the vitamin, about the carbohydrate, about the protein, and this one we can get from the another materials like the rice, it's like the corn and vegetable or something like that. So regarding the motion about the ban, the production and consume, meat is not so good as alternative solution to resolve the problem. We can find another way to get the solution on this problem. To make my justification is stronger, I will respond argument from the government side. The first one, we're talking about the diet. Who is diet? What is diet? Everyone, of course, know about this. Actually, diet is one of the program, that the more intention to make our body health. And we can find a way to make this diet success. Yeah, the first one we're talking about the sport routine. We can start from the small things like the jogging, 30 minutes. We can go around your house. So sport routine is not so crowd or the make us busy to make this one happen. We can say so many influencer in the YouTube, Instagram, and something like that can teach us how to make a sport routine. So you can find another channel, another way to another program, in the social media. So you can do this one in every time and everywhere. So I think this one is very easy to do that. The second one about the consume hot food with the constant vitamin, carbohydrate, protein, etc. So many things to make our body is balanced. We have to ensure the content on the food, especially if you have diabetes. So this one is the one of the serious illness. So you have to decrease about the carbohydrate. You can use or consume corn. That what corn is better to proceed in our body. So you can put that one as the solution. So the important things in the consumer health food, you have to ensure, you have to make sure what happened in your body, and you will know about that. So you can propose or to give recommendation to your body to consume that this one is better. The third, I'm talking about the reduced consume that any oil content. Maybe Indonesia is very familiar or very common about the gorengan so very delicious that so many type or so many kinds of the gorengan. We can say that the bakwan is very delicious. You can use the for the process to make bakwan, you can just use the vegetables like the vegetable and the flavor is only that, and several season to make this one is delicious. So regarding the diet, I'm highlight about the just do the health health program to our bodies only that. The next I'm talking about in moral. Actually, moral is not so good justification that we have to back to function of the animal. Animal is one of the primary consumption since so long time ago. So we can consume animal, but we have to do several assessment before consume the animal. We have to concern about the allergy. Maybe our body have an allergy to the meat, of course. So you have to know what the need your body. So we are as the consumer must be know what happen if this one consume to our body. The second one about the balance in nutrition, I was mentioning before you eat something, you have to ensure what's the vitamin, what the carbohydrate, what the protein, then make sure that one is balancing. You can see in the social media so many tutorial to make the good or the health food, so you can use as a reference. The third one I highlight about the ensure all the things in the animal can consume and give the positive thing to our body. Yeah, if we see in the several social media that it's like the pig is not so good for our body, so we have to ensure we not consume pig. As a Muslim religion, that they believe we cannot we cannot consume the pig because in the pig so many bacteria that can bad to our body. And next, I'm talking about the cholesterol. Actually, not all cholesterol is bad to our body. We need cholesterol that on the limit that's safe to our body. So we can eat a meat and we have to have also what actually in our body. So we have to know what actually with our body actually. And the next I'm talking about environment about the about the carbon production. As per the government side mentioned, to produce of the product, of course we have to waste to dispose the environment, and we can maintain the pollution that any technology to resolve the carbon or emission gases in the environment. So that's why in our industry, so many steps or the technology can resolve our problem regarding the carbon or the emission gases. And the last one, I'm talking about the sustainability. To keep the sustainability to meet consumption, we have the technology and method to maintain the consumption versus production. Especially, for example, cloning program that can produce for more animal or meat in the short time. And of course, equality is number one. So why the government so worry about this? We already have a good scientist and they always do research to ensure the sustainability. As a conclusion, I'm from the opposition side. I'm not agree with the motion that of course consume meat that we have to control the good controlling to make us health, especially and the another thing we can keep economic stable, that supply and demand on track and prevent the inflation. Now we are on the unpredictable situation, so we have to ensure the rupiah, especially Indonesia, is stable in the market. So we can maintain our production. And the last, I'm from the opposition side, of course, proudly and respectfully that I have strong justification to say no to ban production and consumption of meat. That's a justification or reasonable that say this one of the not good solution actually. Thank you.